Hi everyone, long time no see. It's funny, my heart is like racing, like I'm nervous to record. I have not made a video, I think, in over a month. Life has been crazy. I'll probably do a separate update craft with me video like I've done in the past, but I need some happy. So I did some shopping. I did an AmericanCraft.com order, and they had like mystery boxes, mystery bags, and I bought 3 because when I bought it, I don't know if it's still on, I should have checked, there was buy 2 get 1 free. So I think it was called a Crafter's Choice and 2 Maggie Holmes boxes. So I'm gonna unbox the first Maggie Holmes box with you guys right now, and then I also purchased for the first time from Office Supply, so that should be coming in. That one hasn't arrived yet. I'm really hoping I can get back into crafting. It's my me time, it's my happy time, it's my happy place. So I just need more of that. So I'll go over that more in a separate video. So like I said, I need some happy. So I have not opened this box yet, so I am dying to see what's inside. And from the Office Supply, I did buy some more Maggie Holmes because I just love Maggie Holmes. So I cannot wait to see what I got in here. Oh, these are cute. What is this? Like little brads? So this is Forever Fields. I don't think I own anything from that collection. I have to see. Yeah, so I guess they're like little like brads. So those are cute. Oh, I don't own anything from this collection either. I love the blue flowers. Okay, I wanted to zoom out a little bit. I felt like I was too close. And then I want to open this. I have not kept up with any of the Maggie Holmes collections. The last one I bought was Garden Party, and that has been my absolute favorite collection that she's done. So I don't know how many more there's been since then. Oh, see, I'm obsessed with the blue flowers. I wish the print was down here though, so that way we don't have that hole right there. Oh, I see. So you can actually, it's like scored right here for you to like take it off, so that way you won't have that hole. But that's so sad. Then you lose that design right there. So you can see like right here, you would just cut that off. So let me do a quick little flip through. Oh, see, blue. Oh, so it looks like you get 2 sets of cards. That is really cute. Oh, I like that one. Super cute. Love that. Then we got, oh, some like wood discs. So she has like a planner, which I don't have, but I do use Happy Planner. So there's that one. We have ephemera. I want to say I actually bought this on Office Supply. And what is this one? Oh my gosh, this, I love this. So when I go to the bodega, I get these, you know, when you go to like the meat counter. So I save these. I don't know why, because I'm a hoarder. So I love that. Oh, this is from Round Trip. I think I actually did buy Round Trip. I did, because it was like travel. So I think I bought that one, but I used my Garden Party definitely a lot more, but I don't think I own these already. And then these like little tubes of stickers, I don't think I ever bought any of those. I think this Market Square one had a little piggy in it, and I wanted to buy the collection just for the pig, and then like I stopped myself because I was like, you don't need any more stuff. But look, here I am, not needing more stuff, but I still always buy more stuff. Oh, her washi. I don't think I have any of her washi. I think I only have ribbon. I actually do have a pack of Sunny Days from Tuesday morning. So having some stickers to go with that is really nice. Oh, I love when they do these and you get like multiple pages. Oh, they're all just in there. There's some like gold foil over here. Love that. And I love when they come with like little phrases. Okay, I definitely don't have any Maggie Holmes stencils. Oh, I like that these are butterflies. That's cute. It kind of reminds me of something like I could use for like Cinco de Mayo too. Kind of looks like some of the like banners. Oh, cool. Like I told you guys, I didn't have any of this paper collection. So now I have a 6x8. And it's single-sided. Oh, there is some gold foiling in there. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I used to buy all of my Maggie Holmes from Joann's, and since we don't have that anymore, I just haven't really bought anything. We have some cards. These are very cute. I love the yellow roses. That's really pretty. This pink flower reminds me of my mom. She loves pink roses. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I ended up buying this. I know I was looking at it. I think I even put it in my cart because I just literally put everything in my cart that I liked from Office Supply, and then I went through and brought it down because I supposedly wasn't going to spend more than $100, and I think I ended up spending like $150 on there. So I think this was in my cart, and I think I took it out. So I'm really happy that I did because now I have it in this set. And then, like I said, I bought 2 of these boxes, so I'm hoping that the next box will actually be different and it's not be repeats. But we'll have to see. I wonder if I bought this. I kind of remember seeing this, but I loved all this like little ephemera in here. Oh, there's 200 pieces. Oh, wait, is this... Oh, ephemera, lightweight paper ephemera, and washi stickers. Okay. I don't think I bought this one then. So, love that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, it's to make cards. Oh, this is super cute. I was telling my aunt that before COVID, we had zoo tickets. Me, Sunny, my mom, and my aunts. And since then, you guys know one of my aunts has passed. So I was telling my other aunt that I wanted to get our zoo tickets back because they got canceled during COVID. So I love that there's like little animal pieces in here because I could definitely use that for like our zoo adventures. Oh, these are really pretty. I love the black and gray and white little roses. Really cute. I love the peacock. I always wanted to get like a peacock tattooed on like my thigh, like going all the way down and just be like huge, but I never did it. I might. No, I doubt it now. Let's see. This is cute. I definitely don't have this one, and I don't think I bought it. Oh, see, I love these, and they come with like little word phrases. I love that. The little houses, I never know like what to do with them. I need to challenge myself to like use those. Oh my gosh, those socks are super cute with the little blue. Oh, look, more blue flowers. Love it. My Sunny boy always buys me blue flowers. Love that. I think I bought one of these. I might have bought 2 because I really liked it. Like, I loved this bow right here, but I know I bought at least 1. I was wishing that this rose would be blue. Yeah, I love anything like grateful and like cameras and these little moments. Like, I love phrases like that. Super cute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that it was going to come with so much paper. Give me 1 sec. Okay, to give myself some more room, I put 10 items in that box. There's still this up here. And then, oh my gosh, I'm going to show you guys this. Look at this thick stack. This is all single paper. I am obsessed. I wish I remember how much it was for this box. I don't remember. My brain's all over the place. But I think it's worth it. Like, if they still have some, I might go buy another one. Well, let me see. If the second box is different, then I probably would buy another one of these. Oh, those butterflies are really pretty. These are really pretty. I love those. Oh, I love black and whites. I really love that. I should really do like a black and white. Oh, I love bugs. I should do a black and white Maggie Holmes like project just for myself. I think I have this paper I might have gotten at Joann's when they were going out of business because that one looks familiar. Oh, some like little ocean. Oh, that's from Sunny Days. Yeah, like I said, life has been crazy, but I had trips like pre-booked before a lot of this started. Well, actually, before all of this started happening in my life. And the way that I save is I will book like the cheapest on everything. And when you book the cheapest of things, it usually comes with not being able to change it or not being able to get your money back. So like I have a couple of cruises that I bought that were restricted cruises, and it means that I got like a 30% discount, but I cannot change it. I cannot cancel. If I cancel or don't show up, I lose my money. So that's the only downside. And I guess I should learn, like right now with my life, I shouldn't probably book that kind of deals. But I do have 2 trips coming up, 2 cruises I should say coming up that are like that, where I cannot cancel the flight or I cannot cancel the cruise. Because even the flight, I got like the basic plan, which was you can't cancel. I should have counted how many were in here. So there were 25 sheets of single paper in there, and what were those selling for like $1, right? And then I think at Joann's they would go like maybe 50% off sometimes, so they'd be like 50 cents. So that's a really good deal. But guess what? There's still more paper, you guys. There is a project pad, which I do not have this one. Oh, I'm really excited to see the blue flower. I do save these covers because I could definitely cut this out and use it as an ephemera piece. Oh, there is gold foiling in here, so that's really nice. Do a quick little... So there's some solid, some pattern paper. What is it called? Like, not, are they cut apart? Like little ephemera pieces. And this one feels like a sticker. So these are like little like punch ones where I could just like pop this out. Oh no, that's a sticker too. Okay, I'm wrong. So there's 2 sheets of stickers in here. And then look at this foiling. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with these guys' heads right here. I have no idea. So it looks like this. So there's like a guy head and a girl head. I have no idea. I'm going to have to go look on YouTube like what other people did with that. So we got that project pad. We have a woodland one. That's a project pad also. So it says it's 24 sheets, has stickers, pattern paper, and cardstock. So there's a view. There's our beautiful little peacock again. This one has the foiling. I like that it has like, they showed, what is it? A scrapbook page. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need to clean off my desk. Like, it kind of became like a dumping area since I wasn't using it. So, you just scoot everything out of here. I kind of started, oh, there's a lot of pastels in here. Love that. I kind of started decluttering, my like closet, my room. I have way too much clothes that I don't even use because I can't even get to. So I need to finish that. I'm like halfway through. And then I need to like go through my scrapbooking stuff because that's just kind of taken over the whole house also because I haven't done anything. So I have like stuff out here in my garage. I have like a corner in the living room. So yeah, I just kind of need to go through stuff, and I think it will help with some of the stress is to like declutter my life. Oh, I like this one. I like that black and white flower one. So, oh, this one is different. This isn't a project pad. So this is just 48 sheets. I love this. I am really happy with everything that I got. So I cannot wait to open up the second box with you guys. I'm really curious to see if it's the same items or different ones. And if it's different, I might go back on and see if they still have more of these because I'm obsessed. I think it was like, was it $70 for the box? So I think it was well worth it. Let's see. There was 10 things in the box, 25 sheets of paper. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 44 items. That's really good for 70 bucks. I think that's really good. And I got 3 boxes because it was buy 2 get 1 free. So I'm really happy with everything. Let me know, did you guys order one of these? And was your stuff different or was it the same? I would love to know. I might go back on there and just maybe order, like, I would totally order another one of these books because I'm obsessed with these like little sentiments right here. So, all right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys. I hope you guys have been good, doing better than me. Okay, bye.